Hello fellow users and time savers. In this video we're going over 5 quick and easy hotkey shortcuts for Windows 10 that make managing your screen a breeze. First up we've got CTRL F, great for searching a large text document or web page for a word or topic. This hotkey is great for narrowing your focus down to a single term in an otherwise extensive text document, which can save you hours of reading. Windows I allows you to gain access to the settings window instantly. This saves time when accessing services such as system, account, and privacy settings. Combining the Windows key with the directional arrow keys snaps your current window to a section of your screen, making screen space management quick and easy. At one point or another, an application will fail, or you might experience latency issues. The Task Manager is a helpful tool to use in this scenario, and Control-Shift-Escape is the fastest way to get there. When working in a company, a group, or even by yourself on the computer, you will need to interact with many files at any given moment. For time management, getting to File Explorer is much faster with Windows E. Add these hotkeys to your repertoire to make managing your desktop much easier. We hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.